friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel, and today I am going to show you in this video how to fix downloading English US update in Android phone. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For this you need to open your settings, go to the Google. Here you little bit scroll down, press on settings for Google apps, press on search assistant and voice, press on voice. Here you press option speech recognition. You can see here all installed languages. Here you select auto update, then select here don't auto update languages, then go back. After that restart your mobile or fix your problem. Still you facing same error, then go back, open your settings, go to the apps, search here speech services by Google, press on force stop, press on again force stop, then again restart your phone, fix your problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.